Hi, my name is Berkay. I'm working in EAE technology company, and we will make short introduction for our Mono Hotel GRMS series. Let's start with our outdoor panel. It's called name Do Not Disturb Makeup Room panel. We have a classic design. It's a hotel logo. You will see hotel room number. It can be 3-digit and 4-digit also. We have 4 classic icons: ring bell, do not disturb, laundry and makeup room. We can change the color, depends on client request. Also, we can remove those icons from there. It's do not disturb makeup room. This panel located in out of the room. Also, we have card holder. You can insert the card and you can start all welcome scene inside of the room. We have switching button options. It's up to 6 buttons also. It detects, it can read all Me Fair cards, all types of Me Fair cards. We have thermostat. You can arrange it, adjust it, low, medium, high, the fan speed, also master on off. You can set up the temperature from there. We have icon options, switching button options on there, also up to 6 buttons. We have keypads, mono keypads with RGB colors, up to 12 buttons. Also, our design department can make a monoblock design like welcome panel. We have our own configurator that we are sending to the client, and they are creating their own product. What I mean, it can be card holder plus thermostat, or card holder plus switch plus thermostat, whatever client wants. Also, we have bedside panels, extension to 5 modules. Here we bring for the 3 module one, switch double socket. Also, you can make switch thermostat triple socket. It depends on your request, on client request. Generally, that's all. We have RGB color options, and it's touch button and glasses, touch button and glass type. Also, monoblock design is so nice. We don't need to frame for switches, just frame for the sockets.